Start your dream business with Travel and Tours Business. For more details and information, attend our free face-to-face Travel and Tours Business Orientation. Just message me to reserve your slot. This is Gina Rangel, one of the franchise director. Be our travel partner now with Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. So dito, hindi mo kailangan magpaka-expert bilang isang travel agent. We have free trainings at community na tutulong sa'yo at tuturuan ka paano ba kumita sa ganitong negosyo. So kung ikaw ay isang empleyado or housewife na naghahanap ng pwedeng pagkakitaan kahit nasa loob ka lang ng bahay, or baka isa kang OFW na naghahanap ka ng backup plan, direct message me kasi nagkakandak din kami ng free webinar via Zoom meeting. So, reserve your slot now. Again, my name is Gina Rangel, one of the franchise director ng Global Pinoy Travel and Tours.